Okay, we're going to do a little speed run straight ahead. I'll try to hold the camera as steady as I can as we kind of go fast in a straight line into the wind, about 1 foot a chop.